This is a Rubik's Cube.
Yet with over 43 quintillion combinations, people can solve it in under 5 seconds.
Yes! And I'm gonna learn how to solve it. Again.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to try and solve the cube, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting because obviously you guys know I haven't solved one in over a year. So let's get into it. I remember the first two steps of solving the cube, which is cross and F12. So it's pretty easy to do those. Boom, cross done. Now we're gonna do F12. So that's gonna be a little bit trickier. Okay, done. F12, done. That was pretty easy to be honest. Okay, so now we're gonna do OLO. Now OLO is yellow face, which I can never figure that out. Oh, okay, we have progress. We have a yellow cross. Done. Okay, OLO is done. Now, the problem with this, I completely forgot the last step of solving the Rubik's Cube, which is was it PLL? So I'm just gonna do a random algorithm real quick and hope for the best what?
Great. Now I don't have a cube. Huh? No way! Nice. Alright guys, we have the cube. So let's open this with magic, shall we? Alright guys, we have the cube in this box. Let's oh, there's a little magnets right here. Let's open it, ready? Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry, this is amazing. Okay. I'm scared to touch this cube. I'm gonna be honest, I'm scared to touch this. I don't know why. But there's only one way to do this. There's only one way. Oh my god, I'm genuinely scared. Okay. I done it. Holy. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this feels so weird. Holy sh! This feels so good. Oh my god. Alright, let me set this up real quick and then we'll start solving. Okay guys, I've set this up and it feels a lot better. It feels more controllable. Now, we're going to have to relearn all the 2-look OLL algorithms and all the 2-look PLL algorithms. So let's get into it.
Okay, so here's how we're gonna do it. We're going to look up JPerm. I can't spell. We're gonna go here, CFOP method. I can't speak English. Okay, so what do we need? OLL. Boom. 3 algorithms. And then 7 there's 10 algorithms. I have to memorize 10 algorithms. Okay, well, you know what?
After solving F2L, or the first 2 layers, then the next step is to solve the top to all be the same color. And this step is called
orientation of the last layer,
or OLL.
Alright guys, I have officially memorized all the 10 OLO algorithms. It took me a bit. From the time lapse, I did some off-camera solving as well to fully memorize all of them. But now they're all in my head. So, we're now on to PLL. There were 6 algorithms for PLL, which is top layer, solving the top layer. But yeah, let's get into this. Another time lapse. Now. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, please comment down below Rubik's Cube. Please do so. Thank you. Other than that, let's get to the final solve of the video, a timed solve. Now, I used to be able to solve this in about 20 seconds or less. My record is 16 seconds. That's not the point. Let's see if I can get at least under 40 seconds. So, let's do this.
Alright guys, I have the cube in front of me for the final solve. We're gonna see if we can get under 40 seconds like I did say before. So, let's start. Quickly inspect the cube. Okay, you ready? Got a timer. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go! Oh my god, why was that so stressful? Holy shit. Okay. Done. I know how to solve the cube. Peace.